Hey gang, Judson Bobo here with Everything Billiards and Spas. Just wrapped up another custom sauna install in Charlotte, North Carolina. This was an instance where the customer had an old Whirlpool bath that they no longer use, just like I've got actually, and wanted to turn it into a custom sauna that they would actually use. So we ripped out the tub, framed in everything, and here's the sauna. This particular model has a full glass front. That's the Himalaya heater on the left there, which is the baddest heater on the planet, honestly. It's a huge tower of rocks. It has over 3 times the average amount of rocks inside of a heater, which gives you more radiant heat, which is what I enjoy, plus the capability of increasing the amount of humidity in the sauna exponentially. I've had several customers that just have a heat tolerance from using sauna a lot, and got them the Himalaya heater, and they agree it's the best thing that they've ever done. This unit is spruce on the inside. It is what people from the Nordic countries, they feel like there's no other option. A sauna needs to be Nordic white spruce. It's a very good quality wood for sauna. It absorbs the right amount of heat and reflects the right amount of heat. It does have a somewhat rustic look to it, but I like it. We upgraded this sauna with the 6-bar backrest. That's a very popular option. It does have backrest lighting behind it, which provides a nice mood lighting. We were able to save the customer's windows, which lets in a lot of nice natural light into the bathroom and the sauna. And of course it has the SL2 control, which you can control from anywhere on the planet. You can set it to come on at 4 a.m. if you want to. Here's a little closer up look at the Himalaya heater. It is just a huge tower of rocks. It's going to be more than sufficient to make this a very effective sauna. Thanks for tuning in. Please reach out to us in Charlotte, Huntersville, Greensboro, or Winston-Salem if you have any sauna needs. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.